Are the Fender Champion 40 effects any good? There's only one way I know of to answer that, and that's literally to demo all 12 of them for you. So what I want to do is I want to discuss the 3 controllers that control the effects. I want to demo them and give you some pros and cons along the way. Hey, I'm Derek at 5 Minute Music, and I have over 25 years experience playing the electric guitar, helping students learn the guitar and learn how to use their amps, doing some live sound, some recording, and I'm excited to help you figure this out today. So first, let me discuss the 3 controls. So the first control is the effects level. It's right here. The effects level, it's basically the volume knob for the effects. Do you want a little bit or a lot? So it goes from 1 up to 10. The next is the effects select. Do you want reverbs, delay, chorus, touch wah, it's kind of an auto wah, vibrato, tremolo? Well, this is the knob to select the effects. And then there's the tap button. The tap button works with 8 of the 12 effects. And you can tap in, tap, tap, tap. You can tap in how the effects works. And I'll demonstrate this for you. So let's get started. Also, let me give you my settings. I'm using channel 1, the volume's around 3. My treble is on 10, my bass is on 7, the effects level's on 5, and again, we're starting with the reverb with chorus, and my guitar is on the neck pickup, and I have my tone set to 10, and my volume's gonna be all the way up. All right, I'm gonna take this one effect at a time. The first effect, when you turn the knob there, and it's the red reverb, that's reverb plus chorus. And you see, there's the tempo for the chorus. If you want it to be sort of slow, 1, 2. Tap it in there. So here it is. So that's a nice reverb with chorus. Now let's go to the next one. The next effect, you'll see there, reverb green, it's the hall reverb. And you notice the tap is not going anymore because there's no tempo aspect to it. There's nothing to make faster or slower. So here you go. That's a really sumptuous reverb. Now the next one I'm going to go to is going to be the spring reverb. That's on the yellow selector. So you just move it up like that. There you go. Here's the spring reverb. This would be like a classic reverb that you get on like a deluxe reverb, like a 60s or 70s deluxe reverb. So I think the reverbs are a definite pro for this amp. I had the level on about 5. You can hear them clearly without having to go really high on the volume. They sit back real nice, but you can also make it swim in reverb by just turning it up a little bit. Listen to this. This is reverb on 10. So you can definitely just hear the sumptuous reverb. So I'm going to put the effects level back on 5. Now let's move to the chorus. The first chorus with the red light indicator, this is the fast chorus, and you see the tempo moving pretty fast. So listen to this. So it's a good chorus, but this might be one of the cons in that I have the level on 5, just like I did for some of the reverbs, and the chorus is a little bit harder to hear. So if you want a pronounced chorus, there's not an additional setting. It's going to be the same setting that you would use for reverb, so you actually might have to go and turn the chorus up. So there it is on 7. Here we go. Put it back on 5. So you can see though how if you were playing with reverb on 5 and it's full and sumptuous, and then you switch to a chorus, how you might feel like the effects kind of dropped off. So the chorus might be less noticeable. It is what it is though. It's a chorus versus a reverb. They're going to sound different, but you might have to turn the volume up for the chorus more than you would for the reverb to really notice it or get it to where you like it. But I don't know. That depends. If you think so, just drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think about the chorus. The next is the chorus with the green light indicator. This is the deep chorus. You'll notice the tempo is slower here. Listen to this. Now let's keep moving along. The next one is the flange. Now this one is kind of similar to the chorus. I feel like I need more volume on it, so I just turned it up. Here you go. So it's a good sounding effect, but I might need more volume. So maybe a pro or a con, depending on your opinion. Now, if you enjoyed these comparisons, please click like. Let me know that I'm giving you content that you enjoy. Now let's move to the delays. The delays are really nice on this amp, a big pro in my opinion. This first one, look how fast that tempo is going there. They call this their slapback. Listen to this. Can you hear it? Adds a shimmer to it. It's really cool. Now turn it over one and you're getting the slower delay. There you go. So now we're going to move over one more. This is the delay plus the reverb. Check this out. It's a great full sound. Now we just have 3 more effects to go, but before we get into them, I want to give you a chance to sign up for my newsletter. Why? Because in my newsletter, you're going to get links to exclusive video content that has not been released publicly on YouTube yet. The video that I'm talking about will be how the volume knob and the voice knob work together on the Fender Champion 40 and the Fender Champion 20 and why you need to understand how to use them. It's critically important. So down in the description section below where it says sign up for the newsletter, or in the comment section, you'll see that too. Just click on that, sign up for the newsletter. You won't regret it. You're going to get some really good content for free, and I won't bug you, I promise. The next effect is the touch wah, and it just says wah right there. Listen to this. This is a great little effect. I think that's a great little effect, a definite pro for me. Now let's go to the next one. Here is the vibrato. And again, the tap, you can slow it down a little bit if you want, or speed it up. So here's the vibrato. You can hear it moving there. And last but not least, here's your tremolo. I'm going to slow it down a little bit. Tap, tap, tap. There's the tempo. Now, after hearing those great effects, if you think I really want to buy this amp, down in the description section below where it says buy now, click there. I am an Amazon affiliate and at no extra charge to you. If you buy the amp on Amazon, I get a small commission. It's just one way I support this channel and I would greatly appreciate it. However, if you have more questions, down in the comment section where it says question of the day, just drop me a line. What would you like to know about the Fender Champion 40? I also have more videos about this amp. If you want a more complete review of all the functions on this amp and 3 additional settings, just click right there. If you want to know how the Fender Champion 20 and 40 compare, click right there. If you want to know how this amp and the Fender Champion 20 do at low volumes, just click right there. And as always, click right there to subscribe and hit the bell, because when you hit the bell, you'll get notifications when I do more reviews like this. As always, thank you for your time. God bless. Have a great day.